Hello, Elsa. Good evening. Okay, hello, Elsa. Good evening. Yes. Yes, hello, Elsa. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, okay, wait for a minute, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, all right. So, what did you do today?
And do homework.
Homework? Oh, wow. Okay, so what did you do in school?
I do my homework.
Oh, homework. How about playing with your friends?
I don't have the friends.
You don't have friends? Uh-huh. You don't have friends in school?
Yes.
Oh, really? Okay. So, what day is today, Elsa?
It,
Today?
today is Tuesday.
Tuesday. Can you say today is Tuesday?
Today is Tuesday.
Yes, very good. Oh, what happened to your face now?
What?
Okay, did you use filter tonight? What happened to your face?
What?
Okay, it gets slimmer. Yeah. Okay. Did you eat your lunch tonight? I no.
Yes.
Dinner? Dinner rather?
I eat broccoli, tomato.
Oh, wow. Okay. So what's the weather like there today? What's the weather like there today? Is it windy? What's the weather like today there? What's the weather like there today? Elsa, hello.
It's sun.
Sunny?
Yes.
Can you see a sun at night? Are you sure?
No.
Oh no. It's
Night.
yeah. What's the weather like there tonight? Is it windy?
No.
Oh, what's the weather like there tonight?
It's sunny.
Sunny. Oh my god. I think sunny. I think sun out in the morning, right?
Yes.
But how about at night?
At night is a
It's
moon. Moon.
yes, windy. Can we say windy?
Windy.
Yes, when we say windy, it means it's cold day,
Yes.
right? Okay. So today we are going to continue our lesson about what was our lesson all about?
Yes. My clothes.
Okay, in my clothes cupboard, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we already discussed about possessive with apostrophe S, singular noun, and plural noun, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so in here, what are your favorite clothes? You can say, my favorite clothes. Okay. What are your favorite clothes, Elsa?
Is
My favorite.
my clothes is
Are.
pink.
No. What?
Is pink.
My clothes, not color. It's clothes.
Is
Dress, t-shirt, shirt,
is
trousers.
and cut.
Okay, can you say my favorite clothes are? Okay, please tell me favorite clothes.
Yes, a dress, a skirt, a t-shirt, a shirt,
Mhm. What else?
and the socks.
Ah, okay, shirt. How about skirt? Do you like to wear skirt?
Yes.
Okay, skirt. And socks, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you please read my favorite clothes are? Okay, please read.
R is
Can
skirt,
you say
t-shirt.
hello, Elsa? Listen to teacher now. Hello, Elsa. Listen to teacher. Okay, can you say my favorite clothes are? Okay.
My favorite clothes are shirt, t-shirt, skirt, skirt,
And
skirt, and socks.
socks. Very good. Okay. So in here, but me, my favorite clothes are baggy, t-shirt, dress, and I like to wear also skirt. Yes. Okay, so let's proceed now to. Are you ready now? Are you
Yes.
ready now? So if you are ready, can you give me high five first?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, send here. Let's proceed here. Listen to the teacher. Make words. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you please spell the word cupboard? Okay, can you please write cupboard?
Cupboard.
Yes, please write your answer. Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Yes, please write.
I don't have the pen.
Okay, sorry for that. Spell the word cupboard. Is that the correct spelling of cupboard? No, that is not the correct spelling. Can you please erase? Okay, can you please spell the word cupboard? C, okay, right? C-U-P,
What?
P. Yes. B, B.
Mm.
O, A, R, D.
Oh, sorry.
Please undo. Okay. What is the spelling of the word cupboard again? Can you please tell me? What is the correct spelling of the word cupboard? Can you please tell me?
C-U-B B O
Okay, very good. How about, can you please spell the word socks? Socks. Uh-huh. Is that the correct spelling? No, no, that is not the correct spelling. Please erase that one. Socks. S. Do not erase the word cupboard. Please undo. Okay. Write the word socks. S O C K S. Okay, again. What is the spelling again?
Okay.
Can you please tell me? Not to write. Just tell me. Do not write.
Okay. S-O-C-K-S.
Again.
S-O-C-K-S.
Okay, very good. How about the cupboard?
C-U-B-B-O-A-R-D.
Okay, very good. How about, can you please spell the word bag? Yes. Please spell the word bag. Okay, how about the word handbag? Can you please spell the word handbag? No, that is not the correct spelling. Handbag.
No.
No, 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 no.
Oh,
That is not
no.
the correct spelling.
Oh, no.
Handbag. No, no. That is not the correct spelling. Not also. That is not the correct spelling. That is not the correct spelling. Please check your spelling now. H A A N. Can you please write small a? Can you please write small a? N D. D, not B. D. Okay, how about bag? Bag. Okay, so again, can you please spell the word handbag?
Handbag.
Okay, do you have your own handbag?
No.
Do you Oh, how about your mother? Does
Yes.
your mother have the handbag?
Yes.
Yes, okay. How about, I want you to spell the word shorts. Can you
Sure.
please spell the word shorts? Okay. Okay, please write S properly. I will
Okay.
not accept your answer. Please write it.
Okay. X.
Okay, short. Can you say? Can you please spell the word short?
I don't know.
Okay, S H O R T. O R T. Okay. How about t-shirt? Can you please spell the word t-shirt? T-shirt, not t-shirt. Okay? T-shirt. Okay. You have to change letter O to letter I. Shirt. Okay, and then copy the letter R and T. Okay, spell the word t-shirt.
T S H I R T.
Okay. Are you get mad of me now? Elsa, are you get mad of me now? Are you get mad of me now? Are you get mad of me? Your voice is too loud. Okay. All right. So next is I want you to spell the word clothes. Can you please spell the word clothes? Clothes. I want you to spell the word clothes. Spell the word clothes. Elsa, are you still there? Please listen to me now. Where are you? Hello, Elsa. Hello. Hello, Elsa. Hello, Elsa. Hello, Elsa. Hello. Hello, Elsa. Where are you? Okay, hello Elsa. What happened, Daddy?
Yes, sorry, teacher. This network not good.
Ah, it's okay. It's okay,
Yes.
Daddy. Yeah, I understand. Okay, Elsa, are you ready now? Hello? Hello, Elsa. Yes, hello, Elsa.
Noise. Noise to noise.
Okay.
Okay, Elsa.
Okay.
Okay, are you okay now?
Okay.
Can we
I
start? Uh,
yes.
yes, I understand about that. Okay, how about I want you to spell the word clothes. Can you please write the word clothes? Ah,
Hello.
clo clo
Hello.
clothes.
Oh,
C L
Ah.
no C L clothes clothes. No. C L, not colo. Okay? Okay, please erase it first. Okay? Please erase it first. Oh
Oh.
no. Okay. C L C L O T H E and S. Can you say
No.
clothes? Can you say clothes? No. No.
The
It
side and S.
no. There is no N. From the word clothes, there is no N. Okay? S. Clothes. E. Do not erase. Oh my god. You're wasting your time. S. Okay, can you please say clothes?
Clothes.
Okay, can you please spell the word clothes again?
C L C L O T H E S.
Okay, how about the word um dress? Can you please spell the word dress?
D D D
D. Next.
A
No, not E. It's letter R. Dress. D-R. Okay, please erase it first. Oh my god, please undo. Okay. D.
Wait.
Okay, can you please write it big letter D?
Okay.
And then next is R. Dr, 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 dress. No, not D-E. D-R.
Okay.
E. S. Okay, okay. No, not double E, okay? Double S. Please erase the one letter E. SS, double S. Okay, can you please say dress?
Yes.
Okay, do you have your own dress?
Yes.
Okay, how many dress do you have?
I have many dress.
Okay, can you please spell the word dress now? Spell the word dress.
D-R-E-S-S.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let us recall again. How about, can you please spell the word cupboard?
C-U-B-B-O-A-R-D.
Yes, what is that again?
D-O-C-O-C.
What is that again? I'm asking you, what is that?
Cupboard.
Yes, cupboard. Okay, next. How about socks?
S-O-C-K-S. B-A-G.
Okay,
H-A-N-G-B-A.
handbag.
Handbag.
Okay, next. How about the word short?
S-O-R-T. Socks.
Oh,
T-T-S-I-I-S.
again.
I
Again,
R
Elsa, please spell the word t-shirt. T.
T H S H I R T.
Okay, can you please say it the word?
T-shirt.
No, not t-shirt, okay? T-shirt. Yes,
T-shirt.
very good. How about clothes?
C-L-O-T-H-E-S.
No, do not say say.
D-R.
Wait for me. Okay, can you please say see, not say, okay? See.
C-L-O-T-H-E-S.
Clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, how?
D-R-E-S-S.
Dress. Very good. Amazing, Elsa. Good job, Elsa. Give me high five now, Elsa, because you did a great job today. Okay, can you do the hooray clap now?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Okay, I want you to stand up first. Okay, I want you to jump 5 times.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, can
1,
you?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, how about I want you to um run.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, finish.
Okay, finish. Okay, sit properly now. Yes, okay, in here. So these are the scramble words. Okay, this is scramble word. So all you need to do here is to arrange it into correct word. Okay, Elsa, are you ready now? Are you ready, Elsa? Elsa. Elsa, hello. Elsa. Hello, Elsa. Hello? Are you still there, Elsa? Elsa. Elsa, where are you? Elsa, Elsa, Elsa. Where are you now, Elsa? Elsa, are you still there? I can't hear you now. Elsa. Elsa? Hello, Elsa. Elsa, are you still there, Elsa? Are you still there? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Elsa. Can you hear me well now?
Yes, I hear you. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. All right. So, today, this time, you are going to arrange these crumble words here, right? Do not. Okay. Please erase that one. You make me angry, okay? Please erase that one. I told you to erase. We're not playing here, okay? Please erase that one. Listen to me. Please erase that. You're not listening to me. Okay, so in here, I want you to arrange this crumble word here. What word is this? Yes?
Okay.
What word is this?
It's a t-shirt.
Okay,
No, it's a shirt.
shirt. Okay, please write. Please write the word
Okay,
shirt.
I close my eyes.
No, do not close your eyes.
I
Write your
can do.
answer. Write your
Yes.
answer inside the box, okay?
Is uh
No, shirt. Shirt. That is not the correct spelling.
what?
You're not listening to me.
I don't know.
Okay. What is the next letter?
Let's
Followed by letter H.
H.
Okay. Please erase letter R. What's next? To be followed by letter shirt. To be followed by letter
R.
I, not R. Next is, no, that is not how you are going to read that.
R. G.
Okay, correct. That is, can you say? Can you please
What?
read? Can you
Shirt.
please read shirt? Okay, Elsa, I'm telling you not to draw, okay? You're not listening to me. Please erase that. Can you please listen to me now?
Okay.
Okay, how about this? Please arrange this one into correct word. What is this? Ah,
Class.
cats. Okay, spell the word cats. Do not erase your answer, okay?
Okay, I'm finished.
Okay, very good. That is, what word is that? It's
Class.
cats. Can you say cats?
Cat.
Okay, next. Do not erase. Okay, how about this? What is this?
Bats.
Uh-huh. Are you sure?
I don't know.
Can you say table?
Table.
Okay, please write the word table. Ball. Ball, not T. Ba. Ball. Ball. Not O. There is no O in there, okay? And the last one is L. Very good. Not tablet. Table. Please erase letter T. Only letter T. My God. Table. Table. Letter E. You don't know how to write properly the word. Okay? Next. Very good. It's a table. Can you say that? Okay. Do you have your own table in your room?
Yes.
Oh, how many table do you have in your room?
It's one.
Only
No,
one?
it's two.
Two. Okay, I have two tables. Can you say that?
I have two tables
In my room.
in my room.
And I use my one table now. And I
And I
use
use
my
my
one
table now.
my one table
My one table
now.
now.
Okay, next. In here. Okay, what is this? What is the first letter? What is the first letter? Elsa, hello.
Hello.
What is the first letter?
Is I don't know.
Oh my God. What is this? What letter is this? What letter is?
It is letter S.
Oh, why you say I don't know? How about the second letter? What is that?
A
J.
J A.
Okay, so what is the correct word of this scrambled word? It's
Is
okay, it's all about clothes. This is start from the letter J. Jeans. Can you say jeans?
jeans.
Okay, spell the word jeans. J.
J
What's next?
J
What's next?
J A.
E. Okay, right. Please write.
Where is my? I did it. J
Okay, this. Can you
A.
please write it again? This is not the correct letter J, okay? Write again. Letter J. What is the next letter? Letter? Do you think there is I letter here? Do you think? Can you see letter I in here? Okay, what is the next letter? J, E. Okay, in here. Write the letter E. Okay, letter E. Write letter E. Elsa. Elsa, hello. Please listen to me now. Elsa, can you hear me well now? Hello, Elsa. Elsa? Hello? Hello, Elsa. Hello? Hello, Elsa? Hello, Elsa? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Hello, Elsa? Elsa, what happened? What happening? What happened? Elsa? Are you still there? Hello? Hello, Elsa. Can you hear me well now? Can you hear me well now? Hello, Elsa? Hello? Hello, Elsa. Hello? Okay, hello, Elsa. Can you hear me well now? Can you hear me well? Elsa? Elsa, hello. Can you hear me well now? Can you hear me well? Hello, Elsa. Elsa? Okay, Elsa.
Mộng dữ mà con nè.
Okay, Elsa, can you hear me well now? Elsa? Elsa? Elsa, hello. Hello, Elsa?
Quê rồi mà.
Hello?
Ủa sao ok rồi mà ba?
Hello, hello?
Nó sợ y.
Hello, Elsa?
Nhưng mà ta biết tắt các ba.
Okay, Elsa, I think it's already time, Elsa. Can you hear me well now? Elsa?
Đường truyền connection.
Elsa?
Connection to Paul.
Ah, okay. So I think it's already time, Elsa. Okay, we can continue this one in our next meeting, okay? to our next meeting. See you again. Yes, because
Goodbye.
yes, your connection today is unstable. We cannot talk.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
Connection.
Goodbye. See you next time.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.